Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Monzo to another account. So if you're using a Monzo, then you can do this. The very first thing that is you have to link your other accounts. First, ensure that you have linked the external bank account to your Monzo account. This can be done by navigating to the payment tab and select pay someone, then choose send to bank account. You will need to provide the credentials, but I will show you how you can do this. I've mentioned all these steps on the screen, which you will see in just a few seconds. The first thing is that initiate a transfer, right? So here it's very important. Open the Monzo app, tap on the payments icon in the menu bar, select pay someone, and then choose make a bank transfer. Enter the recipient bank details, account number, and sort code. If it is not a Monzo account, confirm payment. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the payment. Transfer typically take up to 2 to 4 business days to complete due to ACH processing time. These are another alternative methods. Those are using other banking apps. And the second thing is that instant transfer between Monzo accounts. So if you're sending money to Monzo account user, you can do this instantly by selecting their, contact through the app, tapping on pay someone, and following the prompt. So you have to just enter the credentials or the email address or the account number, and that's it. You can transfer. Right. So this is it, and this is really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.